Hi, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethelene. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the phrasal verb buy into. I don't know if I buy into the idea that Greg's become a new man. I've known him since middle school, and he has always been the same. Guys, if we can get these investors to buy into our idea, then we'll be set. So let's make sure that we get this pitch right. Now, what does it mean to buy into something? Well, this phrasal verb, it can have two meanings or two applications. The first application is when you accept or you permit or allow an idea, a notion, a theory, right? You buy into it. You go with the flow. So in our example, I don't know if I buy into the fact that Greg has become a new person. I don't know if I'm willing to accept that. I don't know if I think that that's real, because I've known Greg since middle school and he's always been like a nasty guy. He's not been the nicest person in the world. So I don't buy into this new persona of his that he is a good person. Now, the second application of buy into can be used in the business context. So you buy into a company, basically you purchase, right? So if I have so much money and I want to buy a company, I want to purchase a company so that I can get revenue and I can make money from that company's earnings, I buy stock or I buy shares of that company. I buy into the company, I write a check and give that company a lot of money so that I can gain a percentage of the ownership in that company. Now, like I said earlier in the video, we buy into the notion of something, the idea of something. I'm not buying into this whole charade of yours. So I'm not buying into, I don't buy into. These are all ways that we can express this phrasal verb. We can structure this phrasal verb so that it makes sense. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below. Bye.